Today, we are going to show you how to create a PayPal account. PayPal is a trusted digital wallet used by millions, offering secure and fast transactions, especially for online gambling. It keeps your financial info private and allows you to deposit, withdraw, and shop with peace of mind. Let's get started with the steps to create your account. First, go to the PayPal website and click the blue Sign Up for Free button. Choose Personal Account and click Get Started. Enter your email address and click Next. Enter your phone number and click Next. Confirm your phone number by entering the 6-digit code sent via SMS. Create a password that's at least 8 characters long with at least 2 letters, 2 numbers, or 2 symbols, and click Next. Fill in your personal details like name, nationality, and date of birth, matching your ID. Click Next. Enter your billing address, agree to the terms, and if you want, opt into marketing communications. Finally, click Agree and Create Account, and you're all set. Your PayPal account is now ready for secure transactions on your favorite gambling sites.